Anmekao. Nderi Amma. Renewed hope. This crowd went there here. Renewed hope. Tinubu is the president. Thank you. Is the band here?
Yes, sir.
The band on a day here?
Yes, sir.
Chidiwe Yoga tell us something. Thank you. My dear brothers and sisters, colleagues, members of the Renewed Hope family in the Ikwerre local government. Ndekulemano. I'm at a loss as to the language that I'll use to be able to convey to you how I feel. I don't know whether to speak in Ikwerre so that I'm very fluent and so that our people will understand what we are saying, or we'll speak in English where we'll try to mutter but also try to pass the message across. How be it, we shall blend the two. Akule Yonoha, Akubeke. Anmekano. Nderi Amma. The Ikwerre local government, people have set a wonderful tone. I am lost in the labyrinth of confusion. I do not know what to do. Because when you visit with the people who are well organized and who have mobilized, you have a very big challenge. And so I'm lost in that confusion because I fear if we can do the same in all the about local government. But we'll try. And I'm not saying now we be the epicenter. I hope you know. We are what? We are the epicenter. Now we be Buruburu. All you one night. But you know yourselves, and you are here, all of us are here on this rostrum. I see sense of unity, of purpose. I see cooperation. I see love. Otherwise, the thing would have been a flop. I beg, if all of this will wait here, if they don't cooperate, this thing will work. If it work, my dear people, go and search, go and look around the state. Those that say that they are governor and whatever they call themselves. For me, they are governor. Hello? Hello? I don't know about any governor. I know about governor in Rivers State. Go and check. They claim that they are in power. They claim so. Go and check the nooks and crannies of Rivers State where you will have this kind of thing taking place today. And even after now, I can challenge anybody to show that they can do a thing like this anywhere else. Hello? Whether you like Amo You know, like people say again waiting. You every day you go challenge somebody, make you an arrest. This year he will fall you. Another year you go say make you challenge them again. You try again, him challenge, him fall you. My dear brothers and sisters, how many CON, GSSROS, Life Venture? I hear some of you say POS. No be POS they withdraw money. It is power and pillar of sports. The most performing minister of the federal cabinet. And I know Clapham about it. I recall, I'm sure my brother standing behind me, Honorable Chim Yibike Ikenga, we recall that the time came when in Abuja, Chairman Forum, under the auspices of the All Progressives Congress, organized a press conference, world press conference. And in spite of the fact that our leader is not a member of the PDP, he's not a member of the APC, he was adjudged as the best performing minister of the cabinet. So if at the level of Nigeria, he is known as the leader and as the best performing minister of the Federal Republic, so why do you find even the slightest atom of reluctance to say the same? Look, Tinubu, by the special grace of God, told Nigerians that he had come with a mission and a vision, and that for whatever it is worth, that nobody should pity him. Whatever he sees, that he takes responsibility. And I don't hear any day waiting people they talk. We say we are going by the special grace of God to be a country where everybody will be very happy to be part of. Please keep praying for the president. Keep praying for our leader. They're only pouring tantrums at him. They only pour sand at him because he is on the rostrum and has decided that things will be done rightly. You know, people know they like person way in work now to bring about change. But at the end of the day, you will discover that those changes are natural. Our leader is on top of his game. And our prayers and our patience will help catapult him to the apogee point. Finally, my people, finally, what they call demonstration of empowerment, and that it is going to be in how many digits? 7 digits.
6 digits.
6 digits. 1 million naira to be demonstrated here, to be given to Ward 2, Ikore local government area.
Let me call the leaders of Ward 2, Ikore local government, to come and collect your check of 1 million naira. Uche on us.
Can you all be here and riff-raffs? We I have said they do go. On a good day, they go do go on our side. When they go, It is so unfortunate that even the man who says he's governor will have said that he has no party. PDP again. He candidated under PDP. But today, he no be party member, he no be PDP carrying member again. So now on him go tell us where he go run the party to come jam us for government house. So make on a day very prepared. Don't be deceived by anything you hear or see. They go and show now. See on. Not be so. I have seen developments in the Ikore local government area. This is what happened here today. Does it look like he's no longer chairman?